Hey, if you're struggling to find new clients or make more money with your OnlyFans or your OnlyFans agency, then my new Skool community is just for you. Spicy Links powerfully helps OnlyFans creators and OnlyFans agency owners alike achieve unparalleled success on OnlyFans, just like I have. But you're probably thinking to yourself, I hear this all the time. Yeah, communities has just got generic garbage in it. It just applies to any business. You don't actually know what you're talking about. You're just trying to sell something. Well, yeah, of course I'm trying to sell something, but you can see for yourself. So this is Spicy Links, has 381 members at the time of this video, and as you can see, it is popping. Now, the point of difference with Spicy Links is that I put a lot of effort into making it appeal to both the models and the agency owners. What I normally see with these OnlyFans communities is that it's normally just filled with a bunch of dudes flexing, making themselves look more successful than they are, and half of them are just really dorky and post some weird shit. But I figured if I structure it so that it appeals to both models and agency owners, then both can help each other. Models can come here for guidance or when they're looking for agencies to manage them, and agencies can come here when they're looking for models to manage. And they can both help each other with growing and tactics and methods and tools and stuff like that. Now, what I've done here is I've categorized it into the different sections. So we've got the general business and legal, model recruitment, chatting, PPV, TikTok dating app, Reddit, other marketing methods, and success stories. This will be growing in the future. Spicy Links is only like a week old. So the fact that we're at 381 members is awesome. And the other thing is, what I've noticed is that I'm also attracting VAs, virtual assistants. So a lot of people always ask, how do I hire a VA? How do I hire a chatter? And the cool thing about this is because of my YouTube channel, I'm generating interest from VAs themselves. So VAs are actually joining this looking for a job. So what Spicy Links is turning into is kind of like a one-stop shop. Now, as soon as you join, and this is something I forgot to mention, make sure to introduce yourself because Skool works on points similar to Reddit Karma. So your posts can be liked by members, and the more likes you receive, the more points you receive. And what do you use with these points? You unlock free content. I should have probably mentioned this at the start, but yep, uploaded here is a bunch of course material that you can unlock 100% free. All you need to do is just participate in the community and you will earn points. You just need to post quality stuff. When people like your stuff, you get points. And then in return, you can unlock all of this material 100% free. So as soon as you join, click the link underneath this video. And as soon as you join, make sure to introduce yourself. And that is the first way to unlock level 2. Because what happens is you post an intro, 5 people will like it, you get 5 points. Boom, level 2 is unlocked. And then what do you have? A contract template. Boom, welcome to your new agency. And that's it. I'll just wrap it up there. So as usual, if you like my YouTube stuff, I know this is more like an ad because I'm going to run it as an ad, but as usual, if you like my YouTube content and you don't think I'm full of shit, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.